Rocket Lab announced the launch window for its upcoming mission. The Harvest Goddess Thrives, scheduled to launch on August 5, 2025, from Rocket Lab Launch Complex 1 in New Zealand. The mission will deploy QPS-SAR-12, a synthetic aperture radar satellite, to a 575-kilometer circular Earth orbit for the Institute for Kyushu Pioneers of Space, IQPS, a Japan-based Earth imaging company. This satellite, nicknamed Kushinada-I, will join the QPS-SAR constellation to provide high-resolution images and Earth monitoring services globally. It'll be Rocket Lab's 69th Electron launch and 11th launch of the year. The Harvest Goddess Thrives is the fifth mission for IQPS, following previous successful launches, including the Moon God Awakens in December 2023 and the Lightning God Reigns, the Sea God Sees, and the Mountain God Guards in 2025. 3 more dedicated IQPS missions are scheduled to launch on Electron through the remainder of this year and into 2026. The launch window for the Harvest Goddess Thrives opens on August 4th at 11:45 p.m. Eastern Time. With 100% mission success for all Electron launches this year, Rocket Lab continues to solidify its position as a global leader in dedicated small satellite launches for commercial, civil, and government missions. The company is also preparing for the anticipated debut of its medium-lift reusable neutron rocket,